We need justice for George Floyd. No more senseless killings of human beings. George is all of our family in humanity. He's our family because he's a fellow American.
Hey, Cole. Love you.
What do we want? Justice. When do we want it? Now. What do we?
Definitely want to, being a celebrity, being an NBA player, don't exclude me from no conversation.
And you know, we don't have to burn down our homes. We don't have to. We built this city. This is the most proudly black city in the world. And you were a part of that. I got a grandfather that marched next to Dr. King in the 60s. And he was amazing. He would be proud to see us all here. We got to keep pushing forward. Jaylen, man, has led this charge, man. I'm proud of
I feel like, we got to stand for something or fall for anything, you know what I'm saying? So as to why we have to go through breaking windows,
I've been stressing on the low. I put my heart into this hole. Bleeding for this life I chose. Feel the pressure never fold. If you love me, let me know. Tell them glitters is not gold. Perfect timing and it shows. Pray to fate.